What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see Brown Coat Gang in the building, man. It been cool all day long. Good gracious, it been cool, man. I've been in the house all day. Y'all see out through the window, man. It been raining non-stop. It ain't been nothing going on. Luckily I had y'all some vlogs, stockpile. At this point, y'all seen Dolo, man. Y'all seen I got Dolo back right and all this stuff, but it just been sitting. I was actually supposed to take the car to Unc shop today to let him get the little miscellaneous wiring stuff fixed, like the running lights, get the running light back straight, power to the window switch, the master switch. We're gonna put the window motor in on the passenger side. Probably will switch the driver side too, just because I got two new ones. All that little stuff, man. A bunch of little knick-knack stuff, called. Like I said, Dolo downhill now. I mean, stuck on road fast, called. I'm pretty much at cosmetic stuff, which is easy until I do the brake. Man, I'm looking at this. Look like my tire pile about to fall over, man. It look like it about to fall over. I don't need no junk tumbling. But anyway, yeah, I'm down to the miscellaneous stuff now, called. You know, that's what it is. But today's video, I've been had planned. I like perfect time to drop it. This to show y'all the process of brown coat getting painted, man. How Jhall got down. Jhall Automotive, man. The number on the screen right now. I told you, a lot of y'all hit him up. A lot of y'all hit him up, and a lot of y'all got locked in, got a position locked in, called top of the year. He really going in and all that, and he gonna be kicking them out. So a lot of y'all finna have that Jhall work. He told me y'all been calling and all that. So that's what it is. That's what this is, man. And we got a box for wifey car too. So y'all package, I mean. So y'all stay tuned. It's for her Monte Carlo. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I'ma roll the pictures and all that stuff. Cause I took pictures during the whole process and all that, and video. Cause at the time I had showed y'all the engine. But now it don't matter. So you can see the engine and all that. You can see these pictures. I want to show y'all how this man took the truck apart, which y'all saw in the series. But I'm gonna show you all the pictures, and we're gonna show y'all the other project he did too. So y'all stay tuned. Enjoy the show. Alright, so y'all saw a brown coat get put together, man. Jhall Automotive did his thing, went crazy on it. The truck, I still say it one of them you gotta see in person. You just gotta see it in person, man. Crazy. So what I'm gonna put on screen now, I'm gonna show y'all these pictures of that Monte Carlo he did. The 71 car, I got it on the vlog one time when we went down there and y'all saw it with primer and all of that. But now y'all can see it's painted black, man. He got down on it. So he had showed me the pictures of it and I had saw it, so I was like, man, I want to throw this in here so y'all can see it too, since I did show it on the vlog. So yeah, man, y'all saw that. So now we gonna open the package we got for wifey car right here. This came in from Mike's Monte's. That's a good website, man. I love that website, boy. It got hella G by the parts. But let me get this thing open. I might as well open this. So we doing this video for Jhall. So I like, man, I might as well open this box. Got these house shoes on today, boy, all day. The easy walkers, that's what I call them. But let's see. And I got another packet too. I gotta open over there. Might as well open it too. Man, boy, they take this thing up. God, they take this thing up, boy. They ain't got to worry about breaking this, man. Man, they take the hell out of this thing, boy. Anyway, I ain't trying to tear the box all up. But this what it is. Y'all probably like what it is. Right hand. I need to keep this. We need to keep this in this. Cause I definitely don't need to mix them up. But let me put y'all down right quick, man. Let me put y'all down. Let me put y'all down for a second, see if I can slide this out. I really don't want to take it all out. But I'm going to take it out to show y'all so y'all can see. We're going to take it out so y'all can see. But I'm going to wrap it right back up. Alright, here we go. So y'all see, I ain't going to take it all the way out. But this is a panel. You weld this in place of where her side marker light is. Cause y'all know we did away with the chrome on her car. So this where the side marker light. I'll tell you what, it don't matter. I open one, cause that one got left hand, and we'll leave that one. Then we'll know that it's the right hand anyway. So we'll go ahead and open it up. So we can inspect it anyway. But, and this how GM did it. So this rocker panel, well, not rocker panel, but it go on your fender basically. I would pop the what's name to show y'all, but it rained outside and all that. I really can't show y'all, but it go like. Let's see how this thing go. I'm trying to remember. But you put this. You weld this in, you cut your, yeah, this the right hand. So, boom, like that. I'm trying to visualize. So, it go in right here. You weld it in on your fender. And it does away with your side marker light. So, this is how GM did it. Some Monte Carlo don't have side marker light. This how they did it from GM. They would take this piece of metal and weld it in. This the right hand side, so this the passenger side. And they weld this in right here. And then you do away with the side marker light and you just got a straight fender. So that's what we got these for. So they gonna get welded in. And called Jhall, like I said, going to Jhall to get repainted and stuff. So we're gonna weld these in. And then it's gonna be that clean look. She ain't gonna have that just that hole over there. Y'all know she got that hole where the side marker light was on the driver's side. So that's why I got these right here from Mike's Monte. And I guess I can open the other package. The other package of vacuum canister. I'm gonna put these in the house too. I'm gonna put these in the house so they don't rust. Which it ain't gonna be long anyway, cause the car literally about to go to Jhall Automotive in a couple of weeks. Yeah, that's scheduled. And I got these for sale too. I got these axles for sale. They'll fit a truck with a 12 bolt 8.5 in it. They 30.5 inches long. Like I said, they for a 12 bolt GM rear 8.5, man. I got these axles for sale. I'll take $350 for them. Like I said, they almost $300 just for the axle, but I already had them drilled for the bigger studs, so you ain't got to worry about that. You ain't got to worry about buying them or paying for labor to have them drilled and stuff. So $350, man. You get the axles. I will ship, but of course shipping will make it higher cause they pretty heavy. Then this the other box. Got parts here. I still gotta put that on wife's car. We're gonna be getting that stuff done soon. Still got these parts right here. Let me see, get this thing open. Look at here, I'm still take that good, boy. Cause I told y'all I'm finna go ahead and get all the AC and stuff situated on Dolo and wifey car. I gotta drive Dolo to get the AC line made, which I'll be doing that. Let me show y'all this so y'all know. Let me tell people, before you start ripping stuff off on your hood, like I used to do, boy, I get the ripping stuff out the hood, boy, I just clean it. I rip the stuff clean off on the hood, like, man, I ain't gonna need that. So let me show y'all this. I'm gonna show y'all this before, so y'all see what I'm talking about. When I say vacuum canister car, everybody ain't gonna know. Man, what's up with this? These folks taking these boxes all the way around, boy, they ain't playing. Take these boxes all the way around now, instead of just taping them in the middle. Alright, so I got one for Dolo too. I've been told people, I don't know, they thought I was just playing, but I like, man, put AC up, man. So this the vacuum canister right here. This right here, this is part of what's responsible for making the air blow out your vents. This right here, your one of your vacuum lines runs to one side, and the other one runs to the carburetor. Right here, one of these going to the carburetor, one go to the other vacuum line. And your vacuum lines, they the two little like hard plastic lines that come out from where your computer be at and your blower motor and all that on the passenger side of your car. It's two little lines. Sometimes they different colors and stuff, but this is what you need, and it's usually bolted right there where your AC stuff at. Your AC box and all that usually bolted on the side like that, or it sit like that, or something like that, or it sit like that. I think it sit like that. So a lot of people, including myself, you'll take that and you'll just rip it off. Don't rip it off. Don't rip it off. I mean, you can buy them, but like I said, I got two of them. I got one for my car and one for wife's car. Just called hers broke. She got hers still. I ain't ripped hers off, but it's cracked. But don't rip those off. Just word to the wise. So yeah, that's what we got going on today, man. I've been wanting to do this video, show y'all how Jhall got down on brown coat with that paint job and all that. Say we still gonna get the rest of the fleet painted. Wifey car up next. Then after that, John Jones getting painted. He get painted next. And I think after John Jones, we hitting Dolo. We hitting Dolo after John Jones, then Meech getting painted last. Meech getting painted last, cause by that time I had oil pressure. It ain't gonna take long. And I'm gonna do a build sheet on meat. So yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video, man. So that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later. BCG. We out.